Hello angels, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button. So as you have read the title, you already know what this vlog is gonna be. I'm gonna tell you how vision board works, and I'm gonna tell you how to make a vision board for 2025, and I'm gonna show a vision board of mine that I did in the start of 2024 that have come true in all aspects. So let's start the video. So first of all, before going deep into the vision board things and manifesting things, I'm gonna just show you my 2024's vision board. This is my 2024's vision board. I just stick it to a thick page that I had in a book. I just have always kept this on my table like that where I used to work. This is my small vision board. I just had 4 goals for 2024, but for 2025 I have a lot more, and I'm gonna make a new vision board for 2025 that's gonna be in a big frame, and it has a lot of like 10 to 15 pictures. So this is a small one that I tried out, and these things have all come true. The first thing was to get a house, like a good house that has sunlight and airy and everything, and now I got it. I got a big room. I have got sunlight in it and everything else. So yeah, I moved into this house like it's almost gonna become 2 years, but before that I have always had this picture in my phone that I have to move in a good airy house. And the next one was to have a good relation in all bases, to be happy, to be joyful. So this is a happy picture of a couple. So even this has well as come true in my life. So another thing that I used to have in my phone is this thing, going to gym girl, that girl era and all. So this thing has come true also. I have joined gym like 3 months before, I guess, but I went like a month or 1.5 months, and after that I had to get my wisdom teeth removal, and I had to get my root canal done. So I left it because of my dental issues, but I'm joining it again in Jan in the next year. So that's there. And another thing that I used to have is this, taking an iPhone, a new iPhone. So as usually have seen my videos, you know that I took my new iPhone just 2 weeks before. So yeah, that has come true. These are all things have come true, not these 2 things. These 2 things have come true at the end of the year. So you can't say that if you have put up a bunch of pictures in a board and you have to think that it's all gonna come true like within a month or something. It doesn't work like that. It works when you put some efforts into this and when you manifest it, and you should not have any negative doubts about this. You should be completely positive that you are gonna get these things, then it's gonna happen. Maybe after 6 months, maybe it will work out for you after a year or within a year. You can't say, can't predict, but it's gonna happen for sure. Before having a board like this, a page like this, what I used to do is I used to go through Pinterest of pictures that I like in my phone. I used to save it as a wallpaper or as a lock screen or something. So as soon as I wake up or when I am free, when I am scrolling through phone, as I go back, I'll see that and I'll visualize that. It always has made me happy seeing those pictures in my phone. These are the same pictures that I had in my phone. So I think through that all I got what I wanted. So another thing that I did that before having this collage vision board, is to go through Pinterest and go through some bunch of aesthetic pictures, good homes and gym workouts or healthy skin, healthy hair, that type of things. I used to go through all that in Pinterest, and I used to visualize those things in my head that that's me who is doing that and all. It helps a lot, and that too helps a lot. So you can try that too. after having a vision board also, you can save some pictures in your phone, or you can go through Pinterest every day at least for 5 minutes. Usually you go through YouTube or Insta for like 1 hour or something. Instead of that, go through some pretty aesthetic pictures that you wanted to get done in Pinterest, and Pinterest have the best aesthetic photos of everything, so you can do that also. So coming to, I'm gonna say how you can implement all the things that you're in your vision board or in your phone. I'm gonna say you to get that lucky girl syndrome in your head, so brace for it. For that, the first part you have to do is clear your head from the negative things, the negative feelings that you're gonna have after having those pictures, after having those vision boards. There's some like 1% in your brain that says, oh my god, I'm exhausted, oh my god, I'm tired, oh my god, like I don't know when it will happen, oh my god, like is that me, am I gonna do that, like so many people tried and failed, am I gonna do that? Those things you have to not get into your head. Okay, your subconscious mind is very powerful than your conscious mind, so I'm gonna say you to think about only positive things. So when you're thinking about positive things in your conscious mind, your subconscious mind grabs 99% of it and it implements subconsciously, and universe helps it to implement. So do that thing, clear your negative doubts out, don't put some negative things in your mind. I know it is a little tough to block out negative things completely when it's coming back into your head, like in between, but take some steps to do it, like join some classes. You'll be active. When you feel active, you obviously feel energetic, and you obviously don't get that lazy girl thing in your head. When you're active, when your body is active, obviously your body is energetic and it will push out the negative things, and you won't get that lazy girl thing into your head, and obviously you won't get that bad feelings about you. So to kick out that negative things in your head, do something, join some classes, do some new thing, and be energetic and active as much as you can. And the main thing is manifest by visualizing. Like I have this bunch of pictures, for example, so I'm seeing this is as this is my hand, and this is my hand which is holding the key into a new home. Okay, make sure you take some pictures like this that matches your skin color, like the one in the picture matches your skin color, so that it feels like it's you. That's the important thing. You should feel like it's you. Feeling is very important thing in visualizing. If you don't feel it, girl, you won't get it. So feel it, feel that thing that you're getting it, make an emotion towards that, and universe and your subconscious mind will put a lot of effort for it to make it come true. So that's the thing, that's a little code that I gave you. Visualize that this is you, and this is actually looking a little like me. I have a body structure like that, so I took something like this working out in a gym, and I have a set like this in gray color also, the gym set like this, and I visualized this is my hand holding a new phone, and I took a new phone also, iPhone. I took a new iPhone. This is an iPhone showing like this. So yeah, those things work out very well. You have to visualize it and you're gonna get it. So yeah, visualizing is very important in your vision board. It's not like you have just stick some pictures to a board and you have put it on a wall and you just see it, okay, I'm gonna do that, and yeah, this there, and you're gonna stare it for 5 minutes. That's not like that. It won't work like that. You have to visualize it. You have to feel some emotion towards it. Okay, and another thing I'm gonna say is set some specific goals, like organize your vision board. I have made it as a collage, but I have a limited pictures. I have not crowded it with lot of pictures. That makes sense. Like you have to set your mind on some particular things so that doesn't get mixed up. Okay, so your head won't get confused on what to do first. So make it clear, make it simple, and make a goal of what you want to do in a year. Okay, and I have done some collage. It works so well than putting pictures like small things and putting a lot of pictures. It will just make you get mixed feelings, And I wanted to say is set a specific goal, set a specific feeling of what you want. Don't mix it up with a lot of pictures into a single frame. So organize it, organize your vision board and make it simple as possible. Make your vision board very detailed. Detail is very important, guys. And you can put some affirmations also, like I'm a lucky girl, everything comes to me at the right time. Like those type of affirmations will help you a lot. And seeing that and implementing that and saying that out loud will make your positive energy around you more enhanced. Last thing and the important thing that I want to tell you cuties is that it takes time for everything to come true, but don't have second doubts at all about it. So if you're planning a vision board, if you're making a vision board and putting out there, if you're visualizing that as I said and everything, please don't have a second doubt that even a 1%, if you have a doubt that is it gonna happen or anything, like your body instantly feels less energetic or it messes up in some way. So don't do that. If you want it to work 100%, it will work 100%. I'm sure I have a proof of that. So if you want it 100% done, don't have second doubts at all. So yeah, that's their saying. If you have some interesting topics or manifesting in other ways, you can leave it in comment below and some other people to know and implement in their life. So yeah guys, don't forget to comment those things below, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. And make sure you get all the things you want. If I was a genie, I would make everyone like get everything that they want in a positive way, obviously not negative things, good things only. So yeah guys, new year's approaching, and set your goals, set your mind in a certain way, detail your vision board, organize yourself, organize everything around you, and stay happy. And I hope that you get all the things you want, angels. So yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.